Hi, I'm Shaka Starks and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, I make videos on lifestyle, beauty, and home decor. So if those are the type of videos you like to watch, subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, thanks boos for coming back, and thank you so much for the love. So I'm excited for this video because I came up with a technique that was like way easier than what I did the first couple times I tried taping. So I am excited to share this with y'all. As you can see, we're jumping right into this video. I'm starting off with a silk press, nice clean hair, nice and straight and silky to match this silky texture. I'm using 3 bundles of tape-in extensions from YWigs. Everything will be linked in the description box. Make sure you check it out. So what I'm doing that is different is I am parting straight across. I'm putting these tape-ins upside down and I'm flipping them over and then adding the second adhesive to sandwich the hair together. So you will see me doing this a few times. The back, I'm just going to keep it real. I can't see the back, so the back is not as neat. But because I parted straight across and I just line those extensions, I just line those pieces across, it made it super easy as opposed to doing it one piece at a time. So here I've started with my bundle of black hair. I had 1 bundle of black hair and 2 bundles of the highlighted hair because I did want it to blend and I wanted to have more of a highlighted effect. As you can see, this row is looking much neater. Practice makes perfect. I started to get more comfortable with this technique and I just lined those tapes straight across that part. This is cool because when you flip it over, you instantly know if you put that tape too close to your scalp. Because I'm starting with the bottom tape, I know it's going to be comfortable if I want to flip it up and put it in a ponytail. I know it's going to be flexible. And the key is to part very thin layers of hair in between. So you can still see the tapes, which help me when I'm trying to like put the tape on top and secure it together. You don't want to have a lot of hair in between because you really want to make sure the adhesives are sticking together and not hanging on your hair. That's what makes this style comfortable. That's what makes this style versatile. That's what makes this style last, is you don't want to have a lot of hair in between. And I know that is scary because it might feel, or it might like seem like it's going to be too heavy, but this is not heavy. These pieces are so light. This is like my 3rd or 4th time trying tape-ins, and this technique is absolutely the best. It's the fastest, it's the easiest, and I stamp it. It's a hack. I wish I was doing this from jump. So here you can see it is flat. I can pull it up in a ponytail. I wouldn't, just because my hair is really fine. So yeah. Here is me doing the sides. This is really important because I want you to notice that I did it in kind of like a diagonal. I didn't go just straight across when I came to the front. I wanted to make sure these tapes were falling toward my face. I have super thin edges. I have really fine hair, so placement in the front was really important so that these tapes didn't show, and so they were comfortable if I wanted to pull them up or pull them back, or you know, whatever. The first time I did it, I went ear to ear and that wasn't the best technique, so I would highly suggest, even if you don't have thin edges, to lay your tapes in the front diagonal. I also would suggest starting with the bottom tape. That way you can feel if it's going to be flexible when you flip it over. So I did the same thing on the other side, and I'm just showing you how those tapes are super flat. I can flip them up, I can do a middle part, I can do a side part, I can even do a half up, half down. I probably won't, just because my edges are really thin and I don't want to pull my hair back. But if that's not the case for you, this style, you can do so much. I love the way that this came out. This texture was really beautiful. So if your hair texture is similar to mine, this silky straight will probably work really well for you. They also have a really gorgeous curl pattern one. I have a video. I used their curl pattern. Well, I used their curly hair before for tape-ins, and that was my favorite. This color is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Here I'm just cutting some layers. I kind of wanted more of a curtain bang effect, so that's what you see me doing here, just layering from where my real hair starts and just bringing those scissors down. Then I'm using my flat iron to make sure that my curls are gonna fall the way I want to. I'm gonna finesse my edges with some of this brown gel. It's not an edge control, so it's not like super shiny. It doesn't have like a crazy hold, but it does what I need it to do. This is what it looks like, y'all. I'm pulling it back. I wore it in a ponytail. It was really pretty, really flat, really natural looking, y'all. This is a look. Super easy. Go ahead and try to DIY this because the style in the salon is so expensive. This beautiful scrunchie I'm wearing is from ellenyork.com. It's a black-owned small business in the DMV. I will leave the link in the description box. I absolutely love it. It is such high quality. I get compliments all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, go ahead and show me some love in the comment section. Give this video a like if you want to see more like this. Subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.